I've parked the van here and there's a path that'll take me on a 10-mile ride to this abandoned village.
2 minutes in and I'm in mud. Lovely though, once you get going. There's a lake and a little sailing club here. I'm going to have a little nose of that. God, I could have parked here. Then again, I missed out on that muddy bit. Well, how nice is this? That's the way to the sailing club, but you know what? I'll do it on the way back. It's a lot hillier than I expected it to be.
The village of Bosley was abandoned in 2015 when the local flour mill exploded.
Okay, I'm coming into a hole. Don't know which way to go, soon find out. I think I found the right way. Sort of had to go in through and past their drive. Well, lovely, that's all you can say. The computer says yes. It's a turn there, I think. This must be it. Oh, maybe not. Oh yes, yes it is. Ah, you see these signs all over the place, obviously bought in the local antique shop. But we're going this way. That's quite a picturesque shot. Oh God. You've got to say, what a gorgeous patch. Little kid there on an electric tractor. He saw my bike and then gave his the boot. Okay, permissive path through here. Horses everywhere. What a lovely part of the country. Look at him with his flares on. Cool dude. I thought that was a pile of black hay bags. It's actually cows. Well, this is simply sublime. Black sheep. Oh. 3 miles to Bosley. Haha. This doesn't look downhill at all, but I'm scooting along. There's a tree been in a fire. Jesus, don't fall in there. That wouldn't be good, would it? Private road, eh? Please keep to the path, it says. Where the hell's the path? I'll just go for this. You can see turkeys. I love it. Oh my God. The cows aren't too happy. These are almost like leftover hamlets or something. I mean, look at this. Just beautiful. I've just seen a viaduct. I wasn't expecting that. I feel like I'm just riding into a factory here. See how it goes. Morning. Alright, the farm workers caravan park, I presume. Oh, okay then. Now we're talking. Right, this should drop me down into Bosley. Really? I mean, really? Lovely. You can see the flour mill. We're closing in. It's all falling apart. Jeez.
4 people were killed in the explosion and these cottages were deemed unsafe to live in. All the furniture was just left inside them and it's still there today.
Yeah, the local lad said I could have a look in these, no problem.
All the fencing's been knocked down and people just use it as a local tip. We really need to sort this out. It must be horrible for the people who used to live here.
Yeah, very sad, obviously. stinks. Oh wow. There you go. Ooh, there's a little path here. This seems really strange, doesn't it? My God. A memorial for the people who died, I presumed. 17th of July 2015. Apparently there's an abandoned mansion as well, somewhere around here. See if I can find it. Two stoners showed me the way. Oh, isn't this beautiful? Oh wow. Look at this. That is incredible. How the hell did I get upside down? God. It's a bit dark and possibly dodgy floors. Oh wow. I was leaving the bike outside, so why not? Right, very careful. I mean, they feel pretty solid. Oh my God. Guess everyone's come down and pinched all the copper. No way. It goes up further. We'll go that way. Oh, someone's left a Lebo turbo here. It's funny how something so nice can just turn to rack and ruin. It's even got a pit for the cars. Oh. Seen better days. I'm going to go along the canal on the way back. I don't know how to get to that bridge. This must be an overflow. Little walkway there. Oh, here we go. I'm going over the bridge. So it's actually an aqueduct or an aqua bridge. Yeah, that's a long way down. Living the dream here. Looks like the canal is really full. I think we have had a lot of rain. This is a hell of a climb. I wonder how long it takes to get your canal boat through that. It just keeps going. I think they might need new seals on the locks. How many are there? This has got to be the last one. Nope, there's one more. Is that someone opening the gates there? Well, I've just learnt there's 12 locks. It takes an hour to go down and 2 hours to come back up. Mod boat. Alfie, love it, look at that. Chortrell Bank there in the distance, just going past the tree. Yes, I've been this way before. Cape Thorne Estate. I'm in Cape Thorpe Estate, but the actual hall itself is very impressive. Can't get to it though, it's only open on a Monday and a Sunday. Well, this isn't good. I'll get the bike past. Gnarly trees there. Imagine cycling through here at night.
Looks like I'm not getting the bike past.
Try the Bridleway. See what it's like. It's putting me on the road a bit, but it's different, isn't it? Big farm this. It's Texas style. Okay, which way do I go now? I don't think I'll go into his farm. Yeah, this has got to be it. Lovely. I'm on the main road, but I've got a nice little path. What's that then? Kestrel? Eagle? Okay, back to have a look at the sailing club. Look at this thatched cottage here. Beautiful. This is actually a bridleway. This is the sailing club. Very nice.
That was my first proper summer ride this year. Thanks for watching, and I'll post the GPX file on my plotter route page.
It's the Everton game. I'm stuck. I have been stuck on the Liverpool front for an hour. Everyone's trying to get home from work and they've closed the roads down for the freaking Everton game. What? It's absolutely insane. Whose idea was this? Oh God, the queue for the chipping.